Okay, anything under here? Let's take a look. Oh, what is that? Come on, there we go. Ooh. Seems like we have a oh wow. Haha, nice. We have a very showy velvet mite. I hope my camera captures it well. Oh, that one is hiding, but there is there are quite a few. There we go. We've got this little guy over here. Don't worry, I'm gonna put it back very soon. And we have a little guy. Just a bunch of little guys. There we go. Little guy over here. Very, very nice. Wow. So fascinating. I'm glad to see them. And oh, there is. Oh, there we go. So that one's coming out. Let's see if I can get some more good. Oh, there we go. That's some good footage. I kind of forgot what they eat. I'm pretty sure they're scavengers. Oh, can I see the little face? Oh, wow, I can. Oh my god, that is absolutely beautiful. Ugh, such a fascinating creature. Fascinating. Oh yeah, that is the velvet mite. It is very nice. And I will let you be because there's a couple more creatures I want to film around here. Alright, have a good day, little velvet mite.